everyone, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. Oh, I'm so excited. We have 2 new exclusive kits, 3 kits in total. We have 2 foil bundles, some new fun bougie box underlays, some characters, some scribblers, some color of the week, and some vinyls. So let's go ahead and start at the top. First things first is we do have the little bougie vinyls. I think it was like the sparkly hollow one came in the advent, but I also ordered them in gold, silver, and there will be more sparkly hollow that are left over. So these are clear stickers with foil on them. These are my personal ones that I opened in the back of the package, but they won't have that on there obviously. And these are just clear with the foil, and I just thought these were so cute because I feel like we're all just a little bougie when it comes to planning with our bougie boxes and all that, or maybe just in general in life. You're a little bougie, so I love those. Thought I heard an alarm. Then the next thing is the color of the week. This is another one selected by y'all on Facebook, and it's a really, really beautiful pink. And this will come in the normal 12 sheets. This is color number 58. It'll be available Wednesday at noon Eastern through Sunday. So if you want this, get your hands on it. And there will be a buy all option, which does have a slight discount. There is one character this week, and it is Shrek. This was one of the ones that was highly requested whenever I asked for suggestions on Instagram. And this is number 53. There are new characters this week, and this one is vlogging or taking pictures, play with me videos, anything that involves a camera. This is actually I don't have one to show you because I already used them all, but this is the one that is going to be on my cute little freebie that will be going in random orders. So I went ahead and formatted it in all the sheets, so you have it in all 6 options here. Oops, sorry, I missed one. This, I'll probably just call it camera or vlogging. It's just adorable. The next thing we have is some new underlays for this week. And this was the one I saw the most hype over in the advent. And this is the stripe. I love this when you layer stickers on top of it. Let me see if I have a sticker to show you kind of what it would look like. Let's do this one. I just love the way it'll peek out underneath. I just think it looks so cool. It's going to go amazing with so many different spreads. It will come in gold, silver, rose, hollow, and sparkly hollow. And I think I might have ordered it in a later order that hasn't come yet in black. But when that comes, if it is available in black, I will release it in black. So that is everything for the stripe. Then there's 2 new foil bundles this week. This one here I released kind of with the intention of this being a really beautiful pair for the Under the Waves kit. And then next week I actually have last week Wednesday, which y'all love this kit. It's probably one of the best selling kits in a while, in a single release week. But I will have a matte silver foil bundle coming, I believe, next week. And also a sparkly gold, not sparkly gold, a sparkly green next week to match some of the kits coming out this week. But let me go ahead and show you both of these because I feel like they are very, very beautiful, very, very unique. This is a gold hollow in the new confetti foil bundle style. Here is that blue hollow. You have the sheet with the newer scripts on them, the bougie boxes, and the full boxes and the headers. And I love with this one. I think it'll match a lot of spring and summer kits, and I really think it would look really nice with that Under the Waves kit. So that's the first one, and these are on special pricing from Wednesday through Sunday. And then this one is a dark green, which we have not done. We've done blue hollow before, I believe. We haven't done a dark green. It's actually it looks really true to color here, but I'll just go ahead and shine the light on it just so you can see kind of what that would look like as well. I feel like it really only helps the lighter colors and the hollows, but I feel like this is very true to color what I'm seeing on the screen, but it's just a really nice deep green. This one I think will go really nice with all of the kits this week, actually, if you wanted to bring in a darker tone. I will show it up against them because I think you'll get the idea then. But like I said, I will have a sparkly green coming out next week that I think would go really pretty with Pixie Grove. But I will give you foil pairing ideas with all of these kits because I have some. So let's go through the non-exclusive art first, and that is Pixie Grove, and this is a very like green. It gives me March vibes. Also could be used for St. Patrick's Day. So let's go ahead and open her up and give her a little flip. I love this. I love this scene. I love fairies. I love fairies, elves, like all of that like whimsical fantasy situation. I love the butterflies in here. I've had a love affair with butterflies recently. There are some butterflies in March Mystery, and March Mystery I just think is going to be the like fan favorite of the year so far. I only have up to, I don't know if I have August yet. Somewhere around there, but I think y'all gonna love it. And I went with the more like green colorway. I was gonna do, and I had laid out to do the brighter colors, but I just feel like with the full boxes, it was just giving me more, needed to be more like natural vibes. And then I thought you could either bring in the extra labels with the other colors. I also did a second doodle option with the other colors, and my other thought is I think that this would be a really pretty one to bring in one of the foils in this like lighter colors and would really pop against this. So bringing in a lilac or a light blue or a purple, a lavender, and bringing that into foil, I think would be so fun. But otherwise, I really think you could do the sparkly green that's coming out next week. You could do the green that's coming out this week for the darker green. You could do gold. You could do silver. You could do hollow, sparkly hollow, lavender hollow, a light blue, like I said, a lilac. There is a lot of options here. Or you could even just keep it, if you want to tone it down a little, you could do like a matte bronze. Then you have your extra boxes, your glitter headers, your rounded boxes, your little things, solid and pattern labels. And I think this box is so adorable. Actually, this would be really pretty with champagne lights or golden champagne lights. I think that that would really pop against the dark colors as well. And I did like a double pattern versus a solid. I just wasn't vibing with any of the solids mixed with any of the pattern options. So I did do the wood, which I think really kind of complements the kit. I think that'd be perfect with the like a bow or something, or stars, or whatever your larger shape is. And then I just went ahead and took the like smaller section here of grass and did that on the bottom part, which you could leave blank or even like a butterfly bundle would be really pretty. I think Maggie has a butterfly bundle, Caress Press. And then did the grass also in the headers. I just think that turned out really pretty. And then it kind of leaves it more open-ended if you want to bring in those other colors and kind of break up the greens. If you brought them in and wanted to get rid of any, you could totally get rid of, like, I would keep this green and then get rid of one of these colors and bring in the other two colors, and it would be a really pretty look as well. The freebie is the tall box. All the kits this week, of course, come in Ultimate and Mini, and there's a lot of add-on options for this one. I think that this actually is the one that had the most add-on options ever yet since like the new format. So we'll go ahead and give that a little flip through. So that is the mini kit as well. And then let's go through the add-on options. So you have Doodle, and then you have the Doodle 2. So Doodle 1 is the colors that are in the kit, and then Doodle 2 is 4 different lighter colors. And whenever I use this kit, I was like debating on it, but it's just, I really fell in love with it, especially with the greens. I think I'm going to pull in just this and then maybe use a lighter foil, like a light blue, and then just bring this in for the other colors. Then you also have the functional if you want to add it on. There's also the ombre if you want to add it on, the label sampler, and then there is both label sampler version. That one's 3, and then this one's label sampler version 2 if you want to add in more colors to the mix. Then there is also the extra boxes, which lean a little bit more St. Patrick's Day. Well, at least these two are. And then these ones are just like a kitchen and a harp, which is just really pretty. Could go with any style you're going for this kit. And then there is also fam options. So you have fam option 1, fam option 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And those are 2 tall boxes. So that is everything for this collection. It is a big one, has a lot of extras, add-ons, like I mentioned, and that is Pixie Grove. Then let's get into the exclusive art. So kind of going in the same, like that one could be used for St. Patrick's Day. I do have a St. Patrick's Day kind of inspired art here that is exclusive. Both of the next kits I'm going to show you are exclusive arts. Again, I think that this one would look really pretty with the dark green as well. But you could totally do matte bronze, matte silver. You could do regular silver. You could do like a gold hollow would be really pretty with this. Thinking about it now, I think I would put gold hollow with it. Or the green. one or the other. But also matte bronze, matte silver. You could do a mix of those too. But love this kit. I think it is so cute. And again, it is exclusive art. It's just a more toned down. Wanted to do something a little different from last year. Last year, the St. Patrick's Day kit, bizarrely, because normally our top 10 sellers are never holiday themed, but Lucky Charms was in the top 10 last year, which was wild. So I wanted to do something very different from that. If you want to pick that up, the extras are not available, but the kit is. So if you wanted something a little bit brighter and you didn't use that one last year, you could still pick it up. But this one is just a little bit more neutral and muted. So you have like a navy mixed with the two greens and a more like kind of like neutral khaki color. You have like a little double box dining room setup. These would be perfect to split up for quote boxes, rounded boxes, little things, solid and pattern. Then you have an outfit flat lay. You have the bottom washi and date covers. And then the freebie in the ultimate and the mini is a tall fashion box option. This also does come in a mini kit. Also, mystery will be shipping next week in case y'all wanted to know. And I am very excited for it because I have like, it's not anything changed, but I have like an additional item in the ultimate. And that additional item will be in this one, replacing the freebie and the mini. So ultimate and mini will both be getting this item, but it is so fun. And I'm really excited because I think it's kind of like a little bit of a game changer for the mystery. So I'm pumped. So you'll see that next week. So this, I didn't even say this is Shamrock, just in case you wanted to know. So this is the Doodle add-on, the functional add-on, the ombre add-on label. Label 2 is like a muted gold color. Again, I think this would lend really well to like the matte bronze, matte silver, but also would lend well to gold hollow. And then you have the kind of, it's more like a party. So you have balloons, a little party scene, and then cake and a cupcake. So this will be the extra boxes. And then you also have fashion options as well. So again, lots of options here. And it's crazy because I haven't, there's something like I'm working on that I probably won't have done for another 4 to 6 weeks, but I'm so excited. And whenever I release it, you'll know this is what I'm talking about, but it's going to be another thing that I would really like to add to kit extras. So I'm really excited about it because it'd be like every single kit and I am pumped. But when you know, you'll know, and just know I've been excited about it for like a couple weeks now. Then last but certainly not least, we have Dark Arts. And if you saw, Aloha More was actually the top selling kit of last year that was exclusive art. It's still available. The extras are not. But I knew I wanted to do another Harry Potter inspired kit, and I wanted to do something darker and spookier. I think I'll try and do one Harry Potter exclusive a year. I already have a couple of like other ideas, but I knew a Dark Arts dark set was needed. So you have your 2 different double boxes here. I love this with the Dementors. You have the Death Eater mask. I do think that we'll go through it again in a minute. I'm just so excited. I'm just too excited. And then you have Bellatrix and Voldemort. Oh, so good. Everything about this. The colors, you have like a charcoal, a gray. This one is like a more like bluish muted version of this color, which this color is like a dark greenish toned navy. That's what I'm going with. You have the Deathly Hallows symbols throughout, some dark marks, which also I requested these from Hannah for releases for her. So she has these up in her shop. These are dark mark, and I requested them specifically for this kit. So I did pick up mine in black, but there is lots of options that you could go for. You could do black, you could do matte bronze, you could do matte silver. I think a regular silver would match, or you could do a navy. I think would still look really cool with this. Lots of options. You have the Malfoy Manor here, double box. I need some quotes for this. Oh, it's just such a fun kit. And then you have Tom Riddle's grave, and that is Dark Arts. And then you also have the arm with the dark mark on it as well as a freebie. So that is the ultimate kit. And then let me show you, oh wait, hold on. Let me show you this. So where's the solid page? So there is some accents of green through this kit. Let me show you. Okay. There is some accents of green, and I think that this green would be really fun, and it also reminds me of like Slytherin, which is kind of more like bad. I'm a Slytherin, so Please don't take that offensively. But I am just so in love with this kit. It is so stinking beautiful. But let's go through the add-on options. I think I'm going to use the green with it because I just feel like that's the best option. And then do the black underlays. Ooh! Do these with these over top of them so you see the green peeking through. That's my little thing there. And I'm using this for Hannah's birthday week, I'm pretty sure. So this is the mini kit. And then you have the label. You have label 2, which is a nude. So this would like brighten it a little bit more. And then you have the ombre, the functional, the doodle. And then there is also extra boxes. So you have this tall Dementor, which is super spooky. You have a Thestral. And then you have, what is his name? Is it Creature? Possibly. So you have those boxes if you want to add them on as well. And I think that Dementor on the side would be so good. So that is everything for this week. I hope you liked this week's releases. And don't forget, like I said, the mystery will be shipping next week. So if you are not signed up, I would really recommend it. I remember when I actually like put together this mystery kit, but when I saw it printed, the colors are just so unique, but in like the best way. And I can't wait to hear what y'all think. Whenever I have done themes similar to this before, but they're always favorites. They're always ones that are, you know, everyone's ISOing them in the Facebook group. And whenever I bring them back as a reformat, they are really, 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 really great sellers because everybody wanted them whenever they are this theme specifically. So that is the hint. If you are not signed up, you have a couple more days to do so. Once they ship, those spots will be closed. But that is everything. These releases will go live Wednesday at noon Eastern, and the foil bundles will be on special pricing Wednesday through Sunday, and the color of the week will be available Wednesday through Sunday as well. Hope y'all like it, and I'll talk to y'all in my next video.